Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started. First thing up, could I get a designated note taker for today? No? All right, I will try and take some notes as we go. I don't see any new faces, so I think we can move on to outstanding RFCs. It's two drafts and an open RFC that I need to follow up on later today. I don't have anything to comment on the decoupled dependencies RFC. Jericho was here last week and was talking about how he just needs to carve out some time to update this multi-arch Buildpacks RFC. And as for this proposal to add OCI images, I just need to do a follow-up here to see if the author needs any help or see what the state of this is. Any questions? Okay. In that case, I think we can go directly into, I think this will be a short meeting today, to be honest. We think we can go directly into C&B updates and questions. I believe that libcnb 2.0.0 -alpha 3 was released. It's something worth looking into if you are curious about that. I might take some time to look into it at some point here in the not too distant future. Next up we have are there any other libcnb updates or questions? Or sorry, not libcnb. Ugh. Sorry, CNB updates or questions. Oh, all right. Project updates. I believe as opposed to last week, this week the release of draft build packs actually worked this morning. I went and looked through a couple of build packs and saw that there was a release of most build packs that had a draft release in them. This unfortunately failed last week, but I think it should be I think it is working now. Anything else for project updates? No? All right. And then finally, open mic discussion topics and questions. First thing up, I believe that this is the last. Oh, yesterday was the last day, unfortunately, to get your votes in for the steering committee election. So I hope that you were able to get those in. Unfortunately, this wasn't yesterday, so I apologize about that. And then finally, in the open mic sessions, is I will be out next week. I'm on vacation, so I will not be here at the working group meeting next week, which I guess means that I will not be here to announce who won the election. But I will be back the week after that. So if this is a meeting that needs to be run next week, someone else will have to facilitate it, which should be possible by anyone. Doesn't require any special permissions to facilitate this. And if not, we can just cancel it as well. So
yeah, part of the open mic questions, discussion topics. I can't help but notice that all the app maintainers handle on GitHub, they're kind of outdated. I mean, outdated. There are many people who no longer are invested into the Buildpack project.
Hmm.
for various reasons, basically. And could we do a cleanup of that? Because I think I mean, in some handle you have 4 people, but behind, among those 4 people, just maybe one max would actually be joinable, would be reachable for help. So what I mean to say is that if we clean that up and eventually, asking the people who do not seem to be active anymore as them if it's fine by them, then move them to Emeritus. Um, and then I think it will be the opportunity for us to review all the different at maintainers handle and see the ones that are missing people. For example, if we see that some of them only have just one person, then that's probably an issue for, I don't know. If you look at Node.js or Ruby or whatever maintainers, you could see that some of them, some of those handles just have one person behind them. So maybe we could help them out and add another one. I don't know, or at least seek for new approvers. Yeah, that's the idea. Because yeah, there was some, I don't know, there's a PR where I think it was for Node.js, just nobody answered ever for a week now, and through Slack and through Slack and GitHub. So, anyways, yeah, clean them up. That's the suggestion, and then act upon this. See uh, if we can grow the teams.
I think that the Slack handles are a good call as well. I think that what I need to do after this meeting is just open up the teams.md and just go through and actually verify that all of the at handles in the Paketo Slack have the appropriate members on them.
Yeah, 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 yeah. That too. That's right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Um, so I'll take a look at doing that right after this meeting.
super. Thank you very much, Forrest.
But yeah, we should also go through and uh we'll put a call out to be like, hey, we should do a review of maintainer groups and move
Hmm.
people or begin the process to retiring certain maintainers that have not contributed a ton.
Yes. Yeah.
Yep. That's also just probably that's like beyond like even a usability thing. Like, if we're looking at the recent what was it, gzip or whatever uh problem, just making sure that our maintainer groups are actually accurate.
Yes.
Okay. Um, great. Uh, Tim, I see that you just joined. Uh, do you have any updates or questions or concerns or requests or anything like that? Oh, maybe not. Oh, can't unmute for some reason. You might have to, there might be a text box somewhere saying that this meeting is being recorded, and then you'd have to agree to that.
Okay, there we go. Hi folks. Sorry about that. Yeah, I posted a draft PR to Packet for the implementation of RFC 59.
Hmm.
It is mostly done. There's a lot of SBOM logic that kind of was tangentially affected by the changes, and in going about testing them, like I have an idea of what I would like to see happen, but I wanted to be able to test that effectively, and I just wasn't. I dug through the code a bit, and I still wasn't super sure of the best way to test, or like if the approach I wanted to take was even effective based on the actual logic in the SBOM package. So I was wondering if I could, I don't know, maybe get some eyes on that PR, or grab some time with someone who is more familiar with the SBOM side of Packet, just to chat about the ideas I have and share context and stuff.
Yeah. My plan was to take a look at that this afternoon. Sophie brought that to my attention the other day, and I just hadn't had a chance yet. I'll also I know that Arjun has been taking a look at some of the SBOM stuff recently. And sort of like how we're doing an approach on that. So I will flag him and let him know that maybe he should take a look or message you because he might have the SBOM questions that you're looking for.
Cool. Sounds good. Well, yeah, it's there, and I plan to be around a bit more often going forward, so I should be more present on Slack as well.
Awesome. Um, is there any other updates that people would like to give? If not, I think we can probably call this meeting short then.
Yep.
Great. Okay. Well, I will not be in next week, so if someone would like to host, by all means. But if not, I'll see y'all the week after that.
Bye bye.
All right, see ya.